Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and hit the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. While we are waiting for the 14th of this month to show the Fulanis what exactly we mean by implementation of anti-open grazing bill, I would like you to watch this video to see what Abuja looks like. Cows now owns the road, while the motorists and every other users of the road are the one dodging cows on the road. Watch the video.
Better country. See as cow relax for road. Sweet country. Mutane ezizi eze. Beautiful country. Buhari and the people. Second-class citizens.
Fulani herdsmen, in their usual manner, destroy someone's yam barn in Okara. After all the relentless efforts he made in the whole year, this is the outcome of it. Fulani herdsmen just reduce him to nothing in just a day. That is why these maludas, these invaders, these terrorists in human form must leave our land, because they don't know the difference between what is good and what is bad. In concomitant to this, they also destroyed his cassava farm. You can imagine such wicked kind of beings in human form. Why will the political leaders in Northeastern region be shielding these marauders, destroying the effort of our citizens for nothing's sake? In the hard economy of the country as it stands now, these people, all they do is to render everything they come across useless. And the politicians don't care. They don't even see it as anything because it doesn't matter to them. What matters is 2023 presidency. And a message to all Igbo people living in the north. It is time that they start returning, because from the 14th day of this February, the Fulanis won't find it enticing, because it's going to be eye for an eye, because they won't believe what is going to come after them. Take a look at the video.
The Fulani Herdsmen have caused a young man suffering from January all the whole year. These are the destroyed yam. As you can see all the whole yam be destroyed. They have destroyed his yam. No more yam in his bar. Destroyed everything. All the whole yam in his bar. They have destroyed it. Destroyed his cassava and his ridge. Please, I advise everyone of us to put out in this issue, because if they keep them quiet, they'll still be doing more. Let's take a look at what someone suffers from January to December in the whole year. After suffering, the Fulani Herdsmen will destroy it for you. Just take a look at someone's yam, someone's bar. This is what they're doing, destroying things in the color. Please, I'll support every one of us to put out in this issue, because it's very bad. If they keep them quiet, they'll still be doing more. Then if you're someone like us now, what are we going to say? Suffering from the whole year, they'll destroy this. Then how are you going to start with next year? Take a look at. No more yam in his bar, destroyed everything, damaged all the whole yam in his farm.
All these things are seed yams.
Seed yam that is supposed to plant for this year, they have damaged everything. Which myself, I will not be happy if I'm someone that did do this too. Let's take a look at big yam that is supposed to keep for his family. Take a look at all the damages that have damaged in his farm. I will advise Okara to promote in this issue. Let's Fulani leave the land of Okara, because this is not the first time they are doing this. They have did it to someone else, and if they are doing it with force, no one can talk it out, say something about it. So I advise everyone, the king of Okara, all the old title, people that have title, let them promote this issue, and tell Fulani Herdsmen to leave the land of Okara, because they are destroying the land. Take a look at seed yam that someone's supposed to plant for this year. They have damaged everything. Then what they want the man to start off with this year? This is the CDM. No more CDM that is good for this year again for him to plant. So anybody that will keep quiet, I know that person is supporting the Fulani Herdsmen, so they need to pull out in this issue. So they will know what they're going to do about it, because this man cannot just be like this, an old man feeding what him and his family used to eat. This is what they're destroying. So what they want him to do now? This is the man that owns the farm. The man is the man is just crying. Look at his bar, suffering from the whole year. Then the Fulani Herdsmen will destroy it. And I'm assuring everybody that if they do this, and if they keep quiet about this matter, the man will not be happy. But if they put serious issue, talk about this matter, and tell the Fulani Herdsmen to leave the land of Okara, I believe and I assure you people that peace will be in this land, and spoiling of people's crops will not be happening again. Take a look at his cassava. See how they match his reach, destroy his cassava. Upon putting bamboo to block the road, they still remove the bamboo and enter inside his farmland. Take a look at how they destroy his cassava land. So everybody, you people to contribute and promote about this issue.